Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simply Vegetarian, and I'm Jeeta. Now if there could be crazy recipes like chocolate samosas and tandoori momos, then why not try my new invention Wai Wai Gujiyas? Yes, you heard it right. Supposed to be sweet? Let's find out. First, the cover. 105 grams maida, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon bicarbonate soda. Then give it a quick mix, all the dry ingredients. Ghee 2 teaspoonful, which is required to make the cover crispy. Rub the ghee in maida, coating each and every particle. Now sprinkling little water at a time, bring all together and form a firm dough. This will not take more than 4 to 5 minutes. Will not knead and form gluten in it, so not required a smooth dough. This is done. Cover and let rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In between, we'll prepare the Wai Wai. I'm using this instant noodles Wai Wai, 75 grams. Here you may try with Maggi, but this will taste superb. Remove the seasoning packets from within. Here we have red pepper, onion oil and the seasoning. We'll use all of them while frying, and it's important to crush them into pieces before cooking. Over to the stove with a frying pan on medium heat. 1 tablespoon oil along with the onion flavored oil that comes with the Wai Wai. 2 tablespoon nicely chopped onion. Saute for a few seconds and then add grated carrot, about 1 tablespoon. Stir fry for a minute and then add the chili powder and the seasoning, the masala. And of course, here if you want your stuffing more spicy, you may add more chili powder or chopped green chilies. Then time to add the Wai Wai noodles. Now I have kept the flame on low, lest they get burnt. And another secret ingredient I'm using here is the Szechuan chutney. It's a dip but can be cooked with noodles. So 3 teaspoons is enough to make it extra flavorful. Time to add some water, cook the noodles and make them soft. Increase the flame to medium. Cover and let cook for some time, around 5 to 6 minutes. Now this is done. I'll switch off the flame and it looks delicious. And the final ingredient for my Wai Wai will be the green onions, chopped about a handful. This will enhance the umami flavor of my stuffing. I'll transfer this in another plate to let cool down quickly. Now while preparing noodles, if you have, you may add some fresh green peas. Now time to heat enough oil to deep fry the gujiyas. Also the heat has to be kept medium-low entirely while frying. My Wai Wai stuffing is cooled down completely and the dough for the cover is well set to be divided into portions. Divide them into 8 to 10 small puri-sized portions. Keep aside the rest and start rolling out one ball. Also require a plate at the side and some water along with the stuffing. As the dough contains enough fat, not required to sprinkle or dust flour as they easily roll out. Dab water lightly around the sides. And keep the stuffing at the middle, about 1 tablespoon. Fold and press the edges. Also make sure not to overstuff, which can result into this while frying. will break, or either the cover has to be a bit more thicker. So seal it properly and again dab some water at the edges, and then the pattern begins. Press and fold technique, the same one as I've shown in the Chandrakala sweet recipe. So this is how it looks, shaped like a half moon. So that's it. Keep all ready and start frying, and keeping the heat low to medium entirely so that the cover gets fried properly without getting burnt. Also, frying on low to medium flame makes the cover crisp and crunchy instead of being soggy and too soft. 2 to 3 pieces can be fried together, but I want to check one first how it comes out. So total one batch can be fried for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's golden brown in color. Serve them hot with tomato ketchup or sauce of your choice, and serve them as tea time snack with family, friends and guests. Children will absolutely enjoy them, so why not pack them to school for lunch? Now look at this. Simply delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. We'll soon come up with another interesting recipe. Till then, goodbye.